How would I describe Bobby Scott? I think the best way to describe him is very intellectual, very thoughtful.
Public official. He's the hardest working man in politics.
Well, I got involved in elective politics in 1977 when I ran for the House of Delegates. I found that every time you had an idea, if you wanted to carry it forward, you'd always have to rely on elected officials to get it done. And I got tired of waiting for them to do it, so I decided to run myself.
Bobby Scott is the chairman of the House Education and Labor Committee, which is a historic position and a very significant position. Juvenile justice is jurisdicted in that committee. Bobby Scott has been a leader on juvenile justice issues for years.
Well, one of the things that makes me proud is we were able to change the direction of criminal justice. Most crime policy in America has been made based on slogans totally unrelated to the evidence. And when I was chair of the crime subcommittee, we were able to eliminate mandatory minimums. We were able to focus on prevention, early intervention, and an evidence-based approach.
His goal is to give everybody, regardless of their station in life, an equal opportunity to succeed. And you can look at the work he's done with the Every Student Succeeds Act, with making sure underprivileged children have access to health care, making sure workers and employees have good opportunity and good benefits and good health care.
We live in a great country and people have the opportunities, but a lot of people don't have nearly as many opportunities as others so that they can be the best that they can be. Education is really the key to that.
His legacy as a legislator is humility and a true commitment that doesn't waver, whether it's in front of the cameras or behind the cameras, to take care of people.
When you have someone from the Virginia Peninsula with such a lifetime commitment to service, to education, to children, you are essentially tying a bow around a lot of things that are extremely important to William and Mary.
Receiving an honorary degree from the oldest public college in the United States is obviously a great honor. It's a very well-established university, very great reputation, and a reward like this, I think anyone would be honored.